I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me.
What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Breckenridge opening day. We're gonna get up there, we're gonna show you the conditions, how everything is. But before we do, we're in the ski dock van, getting everything tuned up, ready for the day. If you guys need to tune your house, your car, wherever you are, hit up the ski doctor. His information is down below. Book now, and let's rip. Guys, the boards are tuned. Thanks, Doc. Let's head up the mountain and let's rip. Opening day, baby. Let's get it. Fresh snow.
Feels pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
So quiet. Guys, I used to work here and scan tickets at this chairlift like 13 years ago. Such a game changer. Brett got rid of the stupid carpet on Colorado chair that would cause so many people to fall. So I'm so happy that they got rid of that thing. We're gonna test how these mics do with the wind noise because it's super windy on this chairlift. But Chris, hi,
came to summer camp, dude. How was it?
Oh, summer camp?
Yeah,
unbelievable. Do it. Sign up for next year.
Yeah. Not yet. Soon.
Not yet, but soon.
Soon they'll be available.
But soon.
But the cool thing is, so Chris came to summer camp, and look, he's still snowboarding with me.
Hi.
Summer camp gives you access, which is the coolest thing.
Yeah.
It really does give you like a different level of access to me. Like Cody came to camp 2 years in a row. Dude works for me now.
I work here.
Yeah, it's insane. So guys, when I do things like I want to go heli snowboarding with you guys, I want to do more summer camp stuff like that, consider coming because you'll get just a different level of access to this whole lifestyle, this experience, everything like that.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you'll see Chris a lot this week.
Hi, it's been fun.
I wanted to reintroduce him this month. Yeah, not this week.
This month. Hi, guys.
Only this week.
Howdy.
All right, enough talking. More shredding.
What's up, Jonathan?
Oh, what's up? What's your name?
Peter.
Nice to meet you, Peter.
You too, man.
Yeah.
I watched some of your videos. I've seen some of your videos.
I appreciate it.
I recognize your voice as soon as you started.
As soon as I started talking.
I know that.
Like, hold on, I know this, dude. That's awesome. Heck yeah, where you from? Denver?
Arvada, yeah.
Okay.
Just for a day trip.
Totally. It's all Denver to me.
Yeah,
if you're down the hill, you're Denver.
Exactly.
Found the freshies off the log. There was no exit strategy. It was just too good. I didn't want to leave.
Sounds like my crypto account. like that they left some side spots open with some freshies to rip and everything. But in typical Breck fashion, it's super safe and family friendly right now. A lot of no jumping sides, no side hits, anything like that. So we're making do with what we got. But you know what's not safe or family friendly? Today, sticker shout out. We got Nick Carnicle with the Red Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got Soy Sauce Tea with the Evolution hoodie, rocking it. Thank you so much for snagging some Evolution merch. Guys, if you want to support this channel, the best way is through the Evolution stickers or through the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. They all come with guaranteed compliments, and it is the warmest merch in the game. So if you do snag any of the merch, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. I post a bunch on my stories, as well as you'll know where we're riding each day. And then while you're at it, I'm gonna stay a little quiet, but follow my TikTok, guys. Things are happening on TikTok. We're getting some followers, so thank you to everyone that's checking out the TikTok. All right, enough talking, more riding, more fresh snow. Let's go. Get redemption on this thing?
Yeah, that edge is sharp still.
Going sideways. Gotta watch out for the beginners.
Yeah. What about the right side?
Oh my gosh, rocks. Ugh. And I can tell you, I really want a powder day, guys. More pow right here. Oh, they have 5 chair open also.
Oh man, my arm hurts.
Yeah, that mic adds just a little bit of weight.
The what?
The microphone adds just a little bit more weight
To what?
to the camera.
Oh, okay.
To like,
I'm like, I thought you were talking about like.
no,
to,
I'm not talking about you. It's dangerous miking this guy up, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But having the dual mics is so sick. I definitely need water, so. All right, we'll take a quick break. Water. Make sure you guys drink water when you're on the mountain. And we're gonna go get some water inside. All right, guys, we're good. Back into it. There's like little trees in here. My energy just feels so low. We've been going hard on the snowboarding. Look how busy it's getting, guys. Look at all these chickens. A lot of people, not a lot of run. It is so sketchy in there. Going off-roading. Some quick tips for opening day. You notice I'm always staying on like the left side of the run or the right side of the run. I'm trying to not be in the middle because that opens up the chances of someone coming from another side or whatever. Keeping my blind side to the mountain or to the side of the run so no one hopefully hits me from behind. Just a little tip for you guys. Thanks for the snow. It is like night and day when you get off this chairlift. Like when you're on it, you're getting blasted by wind the whole time. It's miserable. You get off of it, it's so nice. I don't want to wait for my life to be over. You see that?
guys, I have a thought, because this is becoming more and more a thing with these opening days, these early seasons. They're just so popular, and they bring so many people out at such a small amount of terrain. You just see people get absolutely destroyed. I don't know. What's the solution? You can't open unless you open up with more than one run? It's rough. Alright guys, come here, I want to show you this. It's the subscribe button! Smash the subscribe button! Let's go! It definitely limits you what you can do on the mountain when there's this many people. Like, you gotta be careful. All right guys, sadly this one's Chipmunk. It's just getting too busy. We don't want to risk our lives. I got hit the other day. You can check that video out right here. We reviewed the burnt step-ons and I got hit. It was rough. Anyways, Chipmunk, here we go.
How does he go so much faster than me? I'm doing the same thing as him.
Hit this real quick, Cody. Oh! Oh, died behind that bush.
Do a cool trick.
Little treat.
Whoa, gnarly.
What's up?
Nothing.
I'm gonna do a lay down.
Okay.
I thought I saw somebody. This is the dangerous section. Yeah, you're welcome.
I don't even know how to use
I've been there before. That's not a fun situation. You gotta help some people out, guys.
What a nice guy.
Even skiers, even help skiers.
Do a jump, be a rebel.
No, I can't, Cody. The hidden jump. The bush jumper. Rebel.
Radical.
What a sick day. I hope you guys enjoyed this day. If you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. Come out to Breck or Keystone if you have an Epic Pass. Copper opens next weekend, I believe. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. Thanks for watching my video. And as always, keep evolving. Almost messed you up. See you tomorrow, guys, with another video.